Hi, I am Dr. Vishwas Vijayadev, facial plastic, cosmetic and reconstructive surgeon at Trustwell Hospitals, Bangalore. Now, many a times you would have heard of somebody undergoing a cancer surgery and then everybody around them is scared as to what will happen once the cancer is removed. So we are here as facial plastic surgeons to replace the lost part of the face with the most effective tissue which gives the minimal distorted appearance and does not cause much of problems to the patient. So herein comes a specialized technique called as the flap surgery. So what are flaps? Flaps are basically your own tissues which are moved into place to be able to give the best color match or the texture match to the part which has been lost on your face. Now these flaps can be of varied types. Some are called as local flaps which are sourced locally. Some are called as distant flaps which are sourced in a different part of the body and brought in here and connected to the viable tissues. Now why are we special in this management is every month we handle a lot of oncological or cancer patients who require effective reconstruction, and this is something which we do to give our patients a normalized looking face and a functioning muzzle or a functioning mouth or other parts of the face which they can live with through the rest of their life. Thank you.